So if you want to support me and you want to see what I'm doing, it's only $10 a month on that other platform, Burt Kitty. Also, follow me on Burt Kitty here on TikTok, because I have different stuff over there, and that's kind of what you can expect from me. You can expect dancing videos, you can expect videos and things like that. A little bit more of a variety, but constantly I will be posting burps. So I have a video going up if you like that kind of stuff. Otherwise, I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much. You're amazing. You're wonderful. That's a good one to leave off on. Y'all have a great day.